Quantum number part 3, information given by principal quantum number. That is small n. First, the value of n specify or represent the shells or energy levels in which the electron revolves around the nucleus. Now, different shells are represented as for different quantum numbers. That is, value of n 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the name and designation of cell. If the value of n is 1, then it is K shell. If n is equal to 2, L shell. If n is equal to 3, M. For 4, it is N shell. For 5, it is O shell. If the value of n is 6, then it is P shell. If it is 7, Q shell. And if the value of n is 8, then the name of shell is R. There is no full form of K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. It is only alphabetical representation of shells in chemistry, and shell name is represented in capital letters. Now the question arises, why the shells are named as K, L, M, N and not as A, B, C, D? Because K represents the kernel, that is equal to nucleus plus inner shell electron. Now, second information given by principal quantum number is it determines the location of electron, that is the distance of the electron from the nucleus. Now, with the increase of the n value, the distance of the electron from the nucleus also increases. That is, n values in the increasing order. Then the radius or R values also increases. That is R1 is smaller than R2 is smaller than R3 is smaller than R4 and so on. That is increasing order. Now this increase in the value of R with the increase in the value of N may be understood by the equation Rn is equal to N square H square 4 pi square M E square, where H square divided by 4 pi square M E square is a constant. Therefore, Rn is equal to N square into constant, or Rn is directly proportional to N square. This means that with the increase of the quantum number, there is increase in the distance between nucleus and the electron. Now the third information given by the principal quantum number is the energy of the electron in a shell. With the increase of the n value or principal quantum number, there is increase in the energy of the electron. This means that the electron which is near to the nucleus having less energy than the electron which is away from the nucleus. Therefore, we can say n value n is 1 is less than 2, that is in increasing order, value of n in the increasing order, that is n is increasing. Therefore, the energy of the electron in the nth cell also increases, that is En values, that is E1 is less than E2, which in turn is less than E3, which is less than E4, and so on. That is in increasing order. Now this can be understood by this equation, that is En is equal to minus 2 pi square m e power 4 n square h square, where 2 pi square m e 4 divided by h square is a constant. Therefore, En is equal to minus 1 by n square into constant, or En is directly proportional to n square, that is minus 1 by 2 n minus n by minus 1 by n square. This means with the increase of the value of n, there is decrease in the minus negative value of the En, means energy of the electron increases with the increase in the value of principal quantum number, which may be represented as En is directly proportional to n square.